Okay, to install the Argone fan controls script, open a terminal and copy and paste this command from the comments, which will download the script and install it. If you ever want to uninstall this script, just open a terminal and type Argone One uninstall. But for now, just enter sudo reboot. Okay, when you come back, type argon-config to start the program and enter 1 to configure the fan. Then press Y to continue. And I'm going to select option 2 to adjust fan speed to temperatures. The default fan speed for 55 degrees Celsius is 30%. For 60 degrees Celsius, the default fan speed is 55%. And for 65 degrees Celsius, the default fan speed is 100. Then you can enter 0 to exit the script. And then enter sudo reboot. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.